welcome back to Wiggin with Christi. Today is going to be a quick, easy video on how to train fibers off your face. When I first get a wig, this one has already been unparted, as you can see, but usually when I first get a wig, I usually will comb it forward to unpart it. Now this is a left monofilament part. This is Napoli by Beltress, which is a left monofilament part. This is from their City collection, their Italian City collection. And so I'll kind of get the part where I want it to go. And if it's changed, which I think that one just kind of changed, but that'll be good to show you guys for directional purposes. I will spritz with water, press down where I want. Then it's in my face, right? So what I will usually do here is I'll kind of pull it back. Kind of got more back over here. And then I'll kind of like use my fingers to kind of press it up and off my face. And sometimes like rub those fibers and hold down and away. Now, if you're on the go and you're like, Christi, I don't have a water bottle with me, then one of my favorites is just heat press. Rub till your hands are warm, then move those hands, move it on the fiber to get a lift. That's what's usually works well for me in getting it off and lifted off the face. Now, if that still doesn't work for you, you can use a blow dryer and then carefully pin the fiber back or clip it back. Now, you don't want to apply heat where that pin is because it's heat-friendly fiber and it will kind of pinch where the clip is. And then, so you can, apply a blow dryer and then maybe pin it lightly back. You can also use a curling iron or a heat comb and curl it back, or a hot air brush as well. So those are just some tips where like kind of you brush it back and off the face or lift it, and it will do kind of a directional purposing and retraining of those fibers. So those are just some tips I have on how to train your fibers out of your face. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button, give a thumbs up, leave me a comment of what you found helpful. I'm on Instagram, Wiggin with Christi, and I'd love to connect with you. Don't forget to shine bright, love others, be kind. Bye.